As you can see, we have here an LED solar panel made up of recycled aluminum foil, styrofoam, and cardboard mirrors. And this is going to provide light for the houses that could not afford to pay electric bills. And it's going to be an activity for the family of the students of Shirley Black and their parents. And they're going to use it in their house and also in the classroom, and will provide zero electric bill. And, and most important is they were able to solve the problem of energy problem, and they could have zero bill. This is going to power a very dark room.